Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss about Anglo-Mysore conflicts. So what are these conflicts and how these arise uh, in that decade? So Mysore was a powerful kingdom that can and that could challenge the company power. That time the Mysore was a very powerful and that only has the potential to challenge the company's power. There were the four wars were fought between the East India Company, rulers of Mysore, the Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan. So Tipu Sultan is son of originally where they are for the rulers of the Mysore. That's it. So just highlight this. We'll highlight the points as per the prelims perspective. Like these are the important something. We'll highlight this. And but in 1761, Hyder Ali was a powerful commander of army, usurped the power and become the king. So in 1761, Hyder Ali become the king. There. So so what is that? Like originally the ruler was Wadeyar, Vijayanagar Empire person, but 1761 Hyder Ali got the power. Upon the Hyder Ali coming to the throne of Mysore, rivalry started between the Mysore Nizam and Maratha. So once the Hyder Ali has come to the throne of the Mysore, so there's a rivalry between the Mysore Nizam and the Marathas. There's a conflict between all of them. So East India Company exploited this opportunity very nice. Like East India Company want to take the advantage of this opportunity. Like how we can take the advantage of this. So what is the history behind the first Anglo-Mysore War? So Hyder Ali wanted to expel the British from the south. So the Hyder Ali wanted to expel the Britishers from the south, and East India Company wanted to expand its territory from the Carnatic, and East India Company again want to expand their territories from the Carnatic to Mysore region, so in the South India. There's an event like East India Company made a triple alliance. So in that case, East India Company made a triple alliance between the East India Company plus Nizam plus Marathas and attacked the Mysore. So there's a three powers in this case, like East India Company, Nizam, and the Maratha, and they attacked the Mysore. And the war went on for the 18 months. One night suddenly, Hyder Ali marched upon Madras and forced the English in a military territory. Like one night, Hyder Ali got the opportunity to to march up the Madras for a military treaty. The result is Mysore won, and the Treaty of Madras. It's a defensive line. The defensive line signed by the signed between the Hyder and East India Company. So there's a condition in like between Mysore and the East India Company. Like each one has to come to defend other at the time of like there's a surname or there is a mutual compliance, something like. So just highlight this Treaty of Madras. What is that? So after that, there's a second Anglo-Mysore War. 1771, Maratha attacked the Mysore, but East India Company did not come to help, according to a treaty of Madras. So Marathas attacked the Mysore, but yeah, don't come for help because they violate the treaty. In 1780, the East India Company captured the Mahe French fort, vital to the Hyder. 1780, East India Company captured the Mahe, the French American War of Independence, like Patriots plus French versus Britishers. And the events, Hyder Ali formed an alliance with the Marathas and the Nizam, but they left him. Like Hyder Ali formed an alliance, the Marathas and the Nizam, but they left him. So, like this is the British supremacy. Then Hyder Ali captured the Arcot, but was later defeated by the Sir Iri Kute. In 1782, Hyder Ali died due to the cancer. Then Tipu Sultan carried on the struggle with French. In 1783, the independence of America, Treaty of Paris being signed between the France and England. This is the Treaty of Paris. So there is a war, no war between the French and England. Now, in the Crown order the East India Company forces to sue for the peace. Results: Treaty of Mangalore, 1718, which brought an end to the Sangati and Mysuru Treaty of Bangalore. Stalemate, psychological defeat for the English as the Tipu directed the treaty. Tipu Sultan wrote a military manual like Patwal Mujahideen. Was this was written with the help of an army journal. Manufacture the rockets, artillery, and firearms. These are the techniques discovered by the Tipu Sultan. Rockets, Mysore rocket, firearms. Used as a Frenchman to train his army according to European standards. To use the Frenchman to train his army according to the European standards. Introduced the new weights and measures. Set up a Jacobin club and planted the tree of liberty at his capital. Capital Shri Gampuran on the Kaveri River. So these are the some upliftments of the Tipu Sultan. Third Anglo-Mysore War कब हुई थी? 1790. Tipu Sultan strengthened his army toward the reform. He sought the help from the France against the English. He emptily attacked the Round Corps, an English ally, sparking the war. Events. So Cornwallis, then Governor General, attacked and defeated the Tipu in Travancore and Triple Alliance. English, Maratha, Nizam attacked the Tipu at his capital, Srigampatnam. Tipu was defeated here and he signed a treaty of Sriganpatnam. Half of the territory of the Tipu were snatched away, divided on the Maratha and the Raja of the Kurg got independence from the Tipu. War indemnified 3 crore rupees and two sons on the Tipu was taken as a hostage by the Cornwallis to ensure the 3 crores were paid in the regular. Fourth Anglo-Mysuru, 1790. Suppose Tipu tried to set the alliance with the Arab Turks in Afghanistan to defeat the Britishers, but failed. He started a Jacqueline Club with the planting a tree of liberty. This made the Britishers cautious if the French Revolution pressed to India. Tipu got a letter of friendship from the Napoleon Bonaparte. He was in Egypt that time and planning to come to India. Napoleon was the most famous army general at that time. Never lost any. Richard Wesley, then Governor General, asked the Tipu to join the subsidiary line, but he declined. But because he knew it was nothing but a slavery. Events. What are the events? Important events that time. So Wellesley allied with the Nizam, like the Masood, and the Tipu died fighting at the Rangpatna. The results: Sirs and Nizam divided the parts. The Tipu's family fell to Vellore. The Tipu's son instigated to the Vellore mutiny in the first ever large scale Sepoy mutiny under the five-year-old boy Krishna Raja, free from the Odayar kingdom, was a king. So Tipu's family was sent to the jail. So what are the Mysore? Mysore accepted the subsidiary line. Um, in the kingdom of Krishna Raja III, Odayar king. Next is the Anglo-Maratha conflict. So Anglo era craze. Maratha were the most powerful empire in the 18th century. Although they lost the Battle of Panipat, but still they had a strong foothold in central India. So how Anglo-Maratha War has started. The young Peshwa Narayan Rao was murdered in 1773 by his uncle Raghunath and Nana Fanan and 11 other men appointed the infant Madhar Rao II, son of Narayan Rao, as a Peshwa. The Raghunath Rao fled to the Surat and signed the Treaty of 1775 with the East India Company, and he promised the East India Company to give the best Vasai and the Thal city, Mumbai, the leave of hell to become the Peshwa. Events. Warren Hastings, the Governor General of Bengal, was not happy with the exchange of Bombay Bill. The Bengal presidency was above the Bombay and Madras in the British India. So he went to sign the Treaty of Porbandar with the Nana Fernand. But later he cancelled the treaty when directors in England overruled. So he had to give the protection to the Raghunath Rao under the directory of Maratha got the victory at Vadgaon, and the Mahadji Sindhia led the Maratha to many victories as the England defeated them in Central India. So finally a treaty was signed near the Gwalior, which ended the First Anglo-Maratha War. So what is the Treaty of Salbai? Raghunath Rao was pensioned off and his claim to the Peshwa was abandoned, and the Madhav Raos was recognized as a Peshwa. English could keep Besant and the Silet. Maratha agreed to help the English against the Mysore during the Second Anglo-Mysore. Importance the treaty brought peace for the 20 years, but the pressure was extreme.